hands. Second go round. You get them, they may come down and kill you. That ain't nothing. I got some that's really loud. No, this is Peppo's backup. No, baby, that's not gonna light. Trust Peppo. I'm not wasting my gas. No, I gotta have that. We got a big show tonight. He's gonna go bug your mama on it. He is gonna get the tire beat out of him.
Hey, come here.
Oh my.
Run. Hey, come here.
Hey, River, go that way. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Go that way.
Adam, you eating already?
Yep.
Wowee! You're gonna be as big as Mom if you ain't careful. You gotta build. Oh, I see how it is. Okay.
Elliot's not gonna work, man.
Oh. What thou doest that quickly.
Your dad would do really well under pressure like that, but you're like, ugh. Your dad was like,
Well, I figured he would have panicked.
oh.
Hello, folks. Happy 4th, y'all.
Now we're starting off with the low tier stuff, right? Be careful, Jordy. That is.
I forgot the weight in that. She was backing up. I was like, what is
Hey, George, Justin, good Lord, boy. All right, now that means war, dude. That means war. Don't you get your hands hurt. You freed him somewhere else.
So, Al, what were we lighting over there?
That was a good one. Yep. I like it.
use under closed adult fit? She comes back with a big one.
She's going to. You know she is. George, Adam, they had the big bads.
She's got $200. She's like, how much are you selling to your power?
Wow.
Why'd you get $200? Oh. Cool. Yeah, when we was kids, we used to throw those in anthills.
This one, yeah, anyway. I mean, I could, but.
Dad, remember when you took us to?
Watch out.
Or like when they're fun, like like Elle and
You almost went up your skirt, Justin. Careful, baby. That's slick over there.
Go play. Oh, you hot?
Hey, Red.
Always.
Are you gonna burn all that energy so that way I don't have to put it down?
Hello.
This is a pretty lady.
Play.
Wait, Adeline, come here.
Watch out now.
You guys! Look out! We're safe and sound. Hey, you
Yeah, Mom's ready for
Yeah, sis.
Are you doing the America?
Come on.
I'm gonna take your picture.
Come on.
Send you like red, white, and blue smoke. Do you want to put it on in the
Everybody,
picture?
Come on, Red.
It's sideways so it goes out all three ends. Get out of here, bud.
Oh, no, please!
The look of death.
He's so used
My
to
wife loves
you.
me.
Oh my gosh.
Does she?
Yeah.
Okay.
How pretty. And this is a beautiful little lady.
What kind of smile is that, Rev?
She takes it without a stick.
Well, it's gonna go up this time. It didn't. Well, that's not cool.
Yeah, it was blowing different this time, wasn't it? We'll give it a couple of minutes. Watch your fuse, very short. Yeah. That's just selfish. It's just selfish.
Beautiful.
There you go.
I revived my tractor.
Did you?
Good part is I revived it. Bad part is I need to address the throttle of the motor.
Well, you got a halfway fix, right?
It's running, but it's running really high.
Really rough,
Like
huh?
full blast.
Oh my lord.
Dude, I gotta shut this off before the motor blows. I'm
Yeah.
gonna mow the yard with this.
Checking the oil.
No, the oil's changed. I changed the oil, replaced the plugs, the carburetor, the filter.
Yeah.
And now I bought the throttle spring that's supposed to be in tomorrow.
Okay.
Throttle needs adjusted.
Did it go bad?
It broke.
Alright.
I was trying to jury
I think we're in trouble.
have it idle with some spring I got at home. What is it?
Justin, beware, it's smoking. It's smoking. Justin, smoke.
Smoke your fire. Go get the flamethrower.
I don't know.
He's disappointed. What's tie them all together. Let them wear muscle fibers. What are you doing upstairs? Now you're upstairs playing by yourself.
I can get pieces back from that running with your sister.
I get that. Knock yourself out on that.
It's old having a crowd down here.
You're like a couple months old.
Careful. This may happen slowly.
Oh, baby. She's flying.
Let go. River, let go. You're like 2 inches from the ground.
No, she fell out.
Aw. Allie, hold her. Take care of her.
It's okay. I know, I love it.
What happened?
She's half her size,
She
dude.
fell out. She fell
You
out.
look like you're struggling, Ellie.
She's like,
1 more pound should be
Mom. What we got, Ux? Good job. And there's our picker-upper girl. Hey, baby.
Wait,
No.
I'm a big fan of these videos.
Are you really? Well, I appreciate that. You need
You're
to give
welcome.
you need to give Papa a thumbs up then, okay? Not quite what I wanted. All right, X, let's see it. What's this one do? Do you know? She reloading mortars. And that's what they're doing, reloading mortars. All right, get back. Nice. All right, we got two going. Beautiful. What was that? I just seen a bat go by again. There's another one. Watch out, you're getting Dracula's attention. You can't aim for the bat. You did it? Welcome to the club, right? Run! Run like the wind! Hold on. Here we go. Woo! Okay, Pepper can't do that very long, baby, because people watching this like see some of this. Hold on, Pebble, get you in a sec. Okay, I promise. All right, do a flip for Pepple. I don't know if they can. Hopefully they can. Whoa, you almost fell, didn't you? You want to do another one? Okay. Do what you just did, except land it.
Hi, big fans.
Oh. Well, that was a dud. Got a car, point away. What is it, baby? But America may not see you, Angel. Okay.
So mommy wants to.
And that's LA firing them right now, guys. Gonna launch some others. Get off me, little bug. I'll probably have to cut a little bit of this out so that all right, you ready? Adeline, you ready? Babble, I bought this for you young girls. Okay, well, it's for you young girls, yeah.
This is a heart.
I don't know what it is, baby. Okay.
Ellie, you want to do these?
Baby, come here.
Does that have a central core to it or not? Okay. If you guys like that, I'll get that next year. What do you think? Is that worth the money, Ellie? Oh, okay.
Look, see?
What is it?
It's a little heart. Well,
Okay, cool. You gonna do that?
Whoa!
I I think that's good. I like that one. That's pretty good.
Papa, I want to show the camera.
Okay, so Peppa, what you gonna do?
These don't light. These.
Hold on, baby. Wait a minute. Don't move. Peppa's trying to get a bug off you. Okay? You're fine. You're fine. Ah, there you go. You want it?